Hi viewers, in this video I am going to tell you how you can solve the problem which occurs when you enter the meeting on Zoom using smartphone and you can't hear other participants in the meeting, and in some conditions the audio of other participants is too low. So how you can solve these issues? So for that you have to watch the video till the end. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, I will enter in the meeting by going to WhatsApp. You can see I tap on the link. Now I'm going to enter in the meeting. As you guys can see, I have entered in the meeting. At the bottom you can see there are two options. One is Wi-Fi or cellular data, the next one is dial in. So what you have to do is tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data. The next one you can see at the top left corner of your mobile screen, there is a sound icon on which a cross sign is appearing. So what you have to do is tap on that speaker icon. Now coming towards the next step, you can see that the audio is too low of other participants. So in order to increase the audio of the Zoom meeting, what you have to do is go to Google Play Store and then search for A to Z screen recorder. As you guys can see, I have downloaded it, so I will not download it. So viewers, you must download it. After downloading it, what you have to do is start the recording and pause it. Now you can see that the Zoom audio is increased. So guys, hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all, so you don't miss my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.